Imagine you're standing at the edge of a vast ocean. The waves are crashing in front of you, powerful yet mesmerizing. Each wave a new opportunity as well as a potential risk. That's what the financial world is like, a vast ocean of possibilities and pitfalls. Today, let's dive into a concept that's like learning to swim before you jump into those waters: risk management. It's not just a tool for the pros, it's a life skill for anyone who wants to navigate the financial seas safely. The first thing to understand about risk management is that it's not about avoiding risks entirely, but about knowing how to balance them. Think of it as walking a tightrope. You don't eliminate the risk of falling. Instead, you learn how to maintain your balance. This balance in finance is about understanding how much risk you're willing and able to take based on your goals and circumstances. You can't judge the depth of the ocean by its surface, just like you can't judge an investment solely by its potential returns without considering the risks involved. Let's talk about fear and greed, two emotional waves that every investor faces. Fear can paralyze you, making you hesitate to take necessary risks, while greed might push you into waters deeper than you can handle. Picture this scenario. You hear your friend boasting about doubling their money on a hot new stock. The temptation to dive in and catch the same wave of profit is immense. This is greed whispering in your ear. But then, lurking behind that excitement is the fear of losing your hard-earned money. Managing these emotions requires self-awareness and a plan. One effective tool in risk management is diversification. It's akin to not putting all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across various assets, you reduce the impact of one bad decision. If one investment falls, others in different areas might rise, helping you stay balanced on that tightrope. Think about how farmers plant different crops to ensure that if one fails, they still have others to rely on. Diversification is your financial insurance against the unpredictability of markets. Now let's dive deeper into the ocean with a mental model, the concept of expected value. This is the idea of multiplying the potential outcomes of an investment by the probabilities of those outcomes, then summing them up to get an average. It's like weighing the chances in a game of cards. You know the odds of drawing a certain hand, and you make decisions based on that knowledge. In investing, you consider not just the potential profit, but also the likelihood of different levels of loss. This helps you make informed choices rather than gambling blindly. Emotions can cloud our judgment, and that's where another tool, the stop-loss order, comes into play. It's like a safety net beneath your tightrope. If a stock price drops to a certain level, it triggers a sale, limiting your loss. This system helps remove the emotion from decision-making, allowing you to stick to your plan even when your instincts scream otherwise. Remember, the goal isn't to avoid falling, but to minimize the impact when you do. Let's not forget the importance of liquidity, the idea of having access to cash when you need it. Imagine you're a sailor who has spotted an oncoming storm. You need to be able to quickly adjust your sails or change course. Liquidity is your ability to make those adjustments in your financial life, so you're not stuck in the storm without options. Risk management, at its core, is also about setting clear, realistic goals. Where do you want to be in 5, 10, or 20 years? Defining your destination makes it easier to chart a course and measure the risks along the way. Remember that every investment is a step on a journey, not a sprint to the finish. Like any explorer, you might encounter detours and obstacles, but with a clear map, you can navigate them with confidence. Lastly, think about the power of reflection. After each investment decision, take time to evaluate what went well and what didn't. This isn't to blame yourself for mistakes, but to learn from the experience. Every sailor knows the importance of keeping a log, a record of voyages taken, storms weathered, and lessons learned. In the same way, maintaining a financial log helps you become a better risk manager over time. As we wrap up this exploration of risk management, consider this. The ocean of finance will always have waves, but with the right tools and mindset, you can navigate it with greater ease. Embrace the journey, learn from each wave, and remember that true wealth isn't just about the treasure at the end, but about how you navigate the waters to reach it. Reflect on this next time you're faced with a financial decision. Are you prepared to manage the risks, not just chase the rewards? Your answer to that question will guide you safely on your financial voyage.